Do you want to learn about how to treat snoring? Snoring is a problem that irritates your bed partner and also causes you to lose quality sleep, leaving you feeling tired and groggy in the morning. Not treating snoring properly can lead to worsening health conditions such as chronic fatigue, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Just one night of poor sleep can have a negative effect on how productive you are, increasing the risk of accidents and on-the-job injuries. Snoring is caused by a narrowing of the upper airway during sleep. This causes air to vibrate, creating the harsh sound of snoring. Stop wasting time with unproven anti-snoring solutions and reclaim a good night's sleep with the VitalSleep anti-snoring mouthpiece. How to treat snoring, you ask? VitalSleep helps relieve snoring by holding the lower jaw forward, keeping your airway open. You'll experience increased airflow and quiet breathing. VitalSleep is adjustable and moldable to comfortably fit any user. It's easy to use and allows you to sleep normally in any position. Without surgery or weird anti-snoring contraptions, you and your partner can experience deep, restorative sleep naturally. It's proudly made in the USA and it's FDA cleared. Try VitalSleep now, risk-free with its 1-year warranty. For more information on how to treat snoring, visit www.vitalsleep.com.